Welcome, little artists. Get your pencil, your eraser, and your favorite colors ready. Sit comfortably, take a deep breath, and let's begin our fun drawing adventure. Follow along slowly, and remember, every drawing is special because it is made by you. A bright white drawing space is ready for a brand new friend. Shh! Listen closely. The paper is waiting like a little stage. Soon, a funny piggy girl will appear, one cheerful line at a time, and we can imagine her giggling before we even see her. Here comes the first big curly shape. It looks like a soft bean, a balloon, or maybe a tiny cloud that bumped into a circle. This will become our piggy friend's head. She is still hiding, but her funny round shape is already saying hello. Now a little snout pops out at the front, and two bouncy ears rise up on top. Boing, boing. The shape is starting to look like a piggy. She seems to be peeking into the picture, wondering what silly adventure she will have today.
Yes!
A face begins to wake up. Two tiny nostrils sit on the snout. Round eyes appear, and a big smile curves across her cheek. Our piggy friend looks kind, curious, and a little bit mischievous, like she just thought of a very funny joke. The eyes get darker and brighter, and a sweet round cheek appears on her face. She looks even more cheerful now. Maybe she is smiling because she hears music, or because she knows she will soon wear something beautiful and dance around.
Okay.
Two curved lines grow downward from the head, making the start of a little body. It is like our piggy friend is stretching after a nap. "Good morning, world," she might say, standing up tall and getting ready for a playful day. A dress shape appears, and one tiny arm reaches out with a happy little hand. She looks like she is waving to us. "Come along," she says. There is room for everyone in this drawing adventure, especially friends who like smiles and giggles.
Yay!
Now both arms are open wide, as if she wants to give the whole world a hug. Her dress is neat and simple, and her smile is bigger than ever. She looks ready to spin, laugh, and maybe do a silly little piggy wiggle. A fancy skirt appears under the dress, decorated with tiny dots. Dot, dot, dot. They look like sprinkles on a cupcake or little stars on a party outfit. Our piggy friend is becoming a cheerful dancer with a swishy, spotty skirt.
Wow!
The skirt gets even tidier with a smooth waistband and many playful dots. Her arms stretch out like she is balancing before a twirl. She might be saying, "Watch me spin," and whoosh, the skirt looks ready to flutter like a happy flower. Little legs and feet appear below the skirt. Now she can stand, hop, march, and dance. Her shoes are tiny, but they look full of energy. Maybe they are magic dancing shoes that go tap, tap, tap whenever someone says something funny. A big bow begins to appear on top of her head, along with round shapes near her ears. Oh, how fancy! She looks like she is getting dressed for a party. The bow has tiny dots too, matching her skirt like a perfect surprise.
Okay.
Smiling face, dotted bow, dotted skirt, tiny shoes, and open arms. She looks proud and ready to say, "Ta-da!" Our piggy friend might be practicing her best party pose for all the friendly animals nearby. More little details appear on her shoes and clothes. Everything feels carefully finished, like someone is polishing the drawing with kindness. She stands sweetly, waiting for color, almost whispering, "I wonder what colors I will wear. Something bright, please."
Wow!
The lines are clean, the smile is warm, and the outfit is ready. Our piggy girl looks like a coloring book character waiting patiently for crayons. She is not rushing at all. She knows the best colors come with imagination, laughter, and joy.
Yes!
Hooray! Bright colors fill the picture. Her face turns rosy pink, her bow shines yellow, her dress glows red, and her skirt sparkles with white dots. Our happy piggy friend is complete, smiling proudly as if she is ready for a wonderful parade.